Welcome to the platform of Seher. Today we are going to highlight some important facts regarding breast cancer.
The main purpose of this awareness campaign is to detect the cases earlier, to provide support and encouragement to those who are fighting with it, who are survivors and are vulnerable to have best survival chance. The major concern lies in knowing all the risk factors associated with this disease.
Some unavoidable risk factors every female should know, like progression in age, family history of breast cancer, and frequent exposure to radiations, irregular menstruation, and if you found any lesion or lumps at your breast, these may be a sign of breast cancer.
Whereas other risk factors are related to lifestyle, which include being overweight, drinking alcohol, not being physically active, not breastfeeding, taking birth control pills, and having hormonal therapy after menopause.
The importance of knowing all risk factors is quoted by Jude as women need to become familiar with all the risk factors, especially those that they can control, so that they must know the need to make smart lifestyle decisions that can lower the risk.
Pakistan is having the highest rates of breast cancer among Asia, where every 1 out of 10 might develop breast cancer in their lifetime. The outcome of the diagnosis depends solely on the stage of the disease, because the smaller the tumor, the lesser treatment and cost will be needed.